just fine before I met you. I drink too much and that's an issue, but I'm okay.
What's up, you guys? It's Nikki, and today I'm here with my boyfriend Daniel, and we are here to do guy guesses, makeup prices. So basically what he's going to do is I'm going to give him like 2 products here, but I've taped off all labels because he knows brands from dating me for 3 years. Yeah, I've taped off all labels or indications really of like what brand it is, but he can't open stuff. And he's gonna tell me if he thinks this is high end and around the like price limit, or he thinks this is drugstore and around its price limit. Here are your first ones.
Okay. Is that lipstick?
Yes. They're both liquid lipsticks.
This is lipstick.
Yeah.
It smells tacky. I'm gonna guess $3 drugstore. And this one, ooh, smells like cheese. So I'm gonna guess high end, $7.
What do you think high end is?
$7.
Okay. They're actually both high end. This is a Kat Von D liquid lipstick and it is $20. And this is the Unique liquid lipstick and it is $27.
Oh no.
Let me smell it. I've never smelled it.
Smells old.
No, it doesn't. But that's what they always smell like.
What is this? More lipstick?
This is more liquid lipstick.
Okay, this one is gonna be the high-end one. Don't nod at me. You're not supposed to let me know.
But I'm not.
It's high-end, and it's $15. I'll say this one's the drugstore, and it's $5.
Okay, you were correct on what is high end and what is drugstore. And this is another Kat Von D one.
I knew it.
It's
by
the roses.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's $20.
20.
I don't know.
15.
Yeah, I couldn't find the price of a mini because the minis usually come in sets. Like I got this, but the full size, like you just saw the other one, it is $20. And then this is drugstore. It's by NYX, and it is $7.
Okay.
I tipped off every
It's matte. It's see-through, and I can see what she taped off.
It's also on.
Oh, it's also... Why'd you tape that off, then?
Because it says the logo on the black in the front, that's why.
Oh, okay. Can I...
Yeah, you can swatch.
Is that what that's called? Swatching?
Yeah.
This one is drugstore. And it costed $12.
Okay.
This one's heavy. I see myself. This one's the high dollar one, and it costed $23.
Okay, this is the drugstore one, and this is the high-end one. You got that right again. This is the LA Colors matte purple cashmere eyeshadow palette, and it is $3. And this is the Urban Decay Naked Basics, and it is $29.
Yikes! Why is makeup so expensive?
I don't know.
Let's start a petition.
I'd sign it.
A lot of people would.
Don't smell them.
These have no labels.
Yeah, they're...
This one's drugstore, this one's high-end. That's right, isn't it? This one is rougher. It doesn't feel as soft, and this one's like... And it's less used and abused. And I know Nikki, and I know that if it's not as used, then it's probably more high-end. Don't reach. Gotta say prices. $1. $5.
High-end drugstore.
I don't know Nikki.
This one is $20. And this one is $6.
Why does this one feel like trash?
Because it's so old. I'm too cheap to buy a new one. I've had it for like 2 years.
You have a new one.
And this is my new one, yeah. But I didn't want to throw that away. Don't put it in
You
your
shoved it
mouth.
into my mouth. You go, don't put it in your mouth. Throw it away. Give it here.
No, do not throw this away. It is $20.
It's broken and defeated. Give it here.
It's not. There's no mold growing on it. It's
Okay,
not
well,
broken.
still, I want to see it.
You're gonna throw it away.
No, I'm not.
You can have that
No,
one.
I want to see the other one. This one's nice. I want to look at that one.
This one's not. Don't throw it away.
I'm not gonna. Let me see. 2 years.
Maybe. Daniel.
It's in the trash.
So, as you can see,
I know nothing about makeup.
no, like, the packaging and quality outside of things doesn't always give away high-end and drugstore. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, don't forget to comment down below what you want to see me do next. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys soon. Because I don't know when this is going to go up. So yeah, I love you guys and peace out.
Life is up here, but you comment below. And the comments will always become common motivation to promote your show's next episode, so your brain knows to keep going even though